Hi scale guys, today we have Intercomp aircraft scales. There's 3 pads there, and to calibrate these scales you should press weight 0, nose and right main, nose, right main, test 0 and percentage button at the same time. So it will be tough for me to do it by myself, but I will show you. And when you press all these 4 buttons together, you will have like this. So to calibrate these scales, we should press left main, and that will show us SPS. Now we can calibrate the scales, and now we should choose that pad which we need. So we need to calibrate that one, which is right main. So I press right main, and now it shows like this thing. So now we need to calibrate 0. To calibrate 0, we should press test 0 button, and that will show us else. Now we should put the weight on the pad, make sure it should be centered. So I put 500 kgs. Now I come here and press test 0 button. Now we should put the weight. I put weight by pressing test 0 button again. This will be 1. Then percentage button. I will go next. It will be 11.02, which is 500 kgs in pounds. And now I should press this button, percentage button, and it goes back to cell. And now we press this button again, and we have 11.01, 11.02, because it's like too accurate. And that's all. Calibration is done. If you need to calibrate another one, you should put, when the display shows SPS, you should press that pad which you will need. So that's all. Calibration done.